Alam, may mumu dyan. Shalane, may mumu dyan, oy. What are you doing now? May mumu dyan, no? Mumu. Manonood na lang eh. Galit pa. Ayan, yan ang ginagawa niya. Diba? Bibihisan niya yung asa na ba yung manika. Yan. Bihisan niya to. Ayan, Ayan, binihisan niya. What happened? Ayan. Yeah, she's gonna play out. Ayan. May palda palang ganyan, oh. Oh, ganun pala yun. Marami ka ba dinidelete, Maricar? Ayan, ganyan pala siya. Cute naman. So, pili ka ng damit. No, cute. This is nice, Jelana. Oh. May mumu dyan. No? This is nice. Is your baby now? Okay, is she a flower dress?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Manood na lang, no? Ayan. Silip lang naman ang kailangan natin eh. Silip lang. Kaloka. Oo nga. Mag-comment talaga.
You lose this.
Okay. Where you going again?
Daddy.
Are you gonna play now?
Let me see that.
Okay.
Today.
Ayan siya. Naka 42K na tayo na view. Silip-silip lang pag may time. No? Saan na ba? Marami ba, Maricar? Kaloka. Oh, delete mo na yung mga yun. Lalo na yung mga solo ko, delete mo. This me, Marimar. Message mo ako pag na-delete mo na. Ayan pala yan. Oh, yeah, cute. See, nice dress. Ayan. Pwedeng ganyan. Pwede na palang ganyang laruan lang, eh, no? Pwede. Or, maganda. Babalik pa daw siya. Or, maganda rin to. Oh, you got a book?
In my new book.
Oh, you got a new book?
Yeah. This one.
Oh, wow. Let me see your new book.
This one.
Oh, the last speech. Oh, nice. Good job.
This one.
Oh, mice. That's mice.
This one.
Yay! I build you a bookcase. Nice.
This one.
That's a lot of books. The Underhills. Tooth Fairy. Good job.
This one.
I wanted a baby brother. Oh, wow.
Is that my new book?
Nice.
Mommy, you want to do more with this?
You want to play now in the garage?
Want to play this?
Yeah.
You play. You play.
I play?
Yeah.
I thought it's yours playing.
You play too.
Okay. But we have only one person though. Do you have other one?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Oo, grabe. Delete all. Yeah, unahin mo muna yung mga...
I have problems.